Think you are smarter than a fifth grader? Check out this Math Olympiad question from the 2015 fifth grade Singapore and Asian Schools Math Olympiad, or SASMO, that has the internet completely stumped. Albert and Bernard just became friends with Cheryl, and they want to know when her birthday is. Cheryl gives them a list of 10 possible dates. May 15th, May 16th, May 19th, June 17th, June 18th, July 14th, July 16th, August 14th, August 15th, and August 17th. Cheryl then tells Albert and Bernard separately the month and the day of her birthday respectively. Albert says,
I don't know when Cheryl's birthday is, but I know that Bernard does not know either.
Bernard says,
At first I didn't know when Cheryl's birthday was, but I know now.
Then I also know when Cheryl's birthday is.
So, when is Cheryl's birthday? Give up? The way to solve this problem is to look carefully at the question and then work through each statement in turn and see what we can deduce from it. Let's ask the guys how they came up with the answer.
Well, first, you know from the question that Cheryl told me that her birth month was any of the following: May, June, July, or August.
And you also know from the question that Cheryl told me that her birth date was 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 19.
Yes, that's right. So walk us through your thought process.
I'll go first. There are only 2 days, the 18th and the 19th, that appear once on Cheryl's list. This means that Cheryl's birthday could not be either May 19th or June 18th. Because if it was, then I would have already known the answer. For example, if Cheryl told me that her birthday was on the 18th, then I would have automatically known that her full birthday was June 18th, since that was the only month and date combination that included the number 18. And the same applies for the 19th. But since I did not initially know the answer, as stated in the problem, we can cross these days out.
And since I know that Bernard did not initially know the birthday, I could then expand on that knowledge and cross out both of the months, May and June, altogether. This is because if Cheryl had told me the month is May or June, then there was a chance that Bernard could have known the birthday right away. So for me to be so certain that Bernard also did not know the answer right away, the month could not have been May or June.
There you go. I get it. So Cheryl's birthday must fall in July or August. So how did you guys figure out the rest?
I did not initially know the answer, but I now know. That must mean that Cheryl must have told me that the birthday was either 15, 16, or 17. It could not be 14, as this day falls in both July and August. So if it was, then I wouldn't have been so certain of Cheryl's birthday.
Right. So then that leaves July 16th and August 15th and the 17th.
Then it now just comes down to picking the correct month. Do you notice the difference between the 2 months, July and August? There was only 1 date left in July and 2 dates left in August. Since I know for certain what Cheryl's birthday is as well, then that must mean that her birthday must be in the month that only has 1 candidate left, July.
So the answer is
July 16th.